Hello and welcome, dear traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is January 6, analysis and trading tips for Euro USD presented by Jakub Novak. First, let's have a look on yesterday's transactions in the euro-dollar pair. The first test of 1.0624 occurred when the MACD line was far above zero, so the upside potential was limited. Some time later, another test took place, but this time the MACD line was in an overbought zone, which is a pretty good signal to sell. It resulted in a price decrease of about 35 pips. Buying on a rebound from 1.0544 was not very successful. Euro rose on Thursday as PPI in the euro area showed a decline. However, it did not last long as strong employment change data from ADP led to a sharp strengthening of dollar and a fall in Euro USD. Today, Germany will release fresh data on retail trade and factory orders, followed by the consumer price report for the Eurozone. Euro will stay afloat if the figures indicate a rise in inflation, but in the afternoon there could be a fall to new monthly lows if the US reports on the unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls exceed expectations. There is even a chance that Euro USD will return to parity as a good reading on the service sector business activity index is likely to lead to an even bigger downward move in the pair. For long positions, you can buy Euro when the quote reaches 1.0538 and take profit at the price of 1.0574. Although there's a chance for growth today, it's unlikely to last long. Also, buy only when the MACD line is above zero or is starting to rise from it. Euro can also be bought at 1.0508. However, the MACD line should be in the oversold area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0538 and 1.0574. For short positions, you could sell Euro when the quote reached 1.0508 and take profit at the price of 1.0471. Pressure will return if economic reports from the US exceed expectations. But take note that when selling, the MACD line should be below zero or is starting to move down from it. Euro can also be sold at 1.0538. However, the MACD line should be in the overbought area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0508 and 1.0471. Sell gold, make a profit. Dimitrios Tsapis with a trading plan for gold. Early in the European session, gold is trading around 1834.47. Below the 21 SMA and below the line of 78 Murray. We can see a technical bounce, which could be considered as a signal to resume selling only in case it trades below 1850. Gold printed a low of 1824.95 yesterday in the American session in response to the economic data from the United States. In about 24 hours, the gold pair fell almost 40 USD after reaching the high at 1865.01. This could be a sign of a probable technical reversal. For this, gold should trade below the psychological level of 1850. In the next few hours, gold is expected to continue rising and can reach the 21 SMA located at 1842, or 78 Murray around 1843.75. Both levels could offer strong resistance and will be seen as an opportunity to sell. The Eagle indicator is reaching extremely overbought zone. Hence, if gold continues to bounce and reach the level of 1844 or even 1850 weekly pivot point, it will be seen as an opportunity to sell, with targets at 1830 and 1820. The next in line is Elliott wave analysis of USD GPY by Torben Melstedt. USD GPY continues to rally nicely, and it's just a matter of time before resistance at 134.52 is tested. We will likely see USD GPY break slightly above just to be rejected, which will set the stage for a temporary correction towards support in the 132.01 and 132.60 area, before the next real attempt to break really above resistance at 134.52. This time, we should expect USD GPY to be successful and move higher towards their dual target for wave B at 141.25. Short-term support is seen at 132.95, which should act as a floor for the test of 134.52. That's all for today. See you next time. Good luck.